Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Tech Range with Sandeep. In my first video I have given you some brief intro of the PHP, but I have given you some roles. Maybe you are not aware of that roles, exactly what they are. So I'm going to continue from that part here. Web developer is one who works for web application and website. PHP developer, one who specially works in PHP technology. Software engineer or developer is anyone who works in any technology, in front end or back end, in any area. Okay, and back end engineer or developer, someone who works specifically in back end side. As you know that there are two sides on every application. There's the front end side, there's the back end side. So generally PHP developers works in back end side. They work on APIs or always maintain the server for any application. Okay, so today we are also going to talk about environment setup. As you know, we have a three operating system like Windows, Linux, okay, and macOS. For Windows there are two software available, WAM and XAMPP. Okay, I'm going to show you WAM server download for Windows. If you go this link, you can easily download the software, and the steps for installing this software as same as all the other software can be installed on the Windows. The same thing you can also, there is also alternate option called XAMPP download. You can also use it for Windows. Okay, so here you need to install from this link, and you can just install by click on next, in the same way as any other software can be installed on the Windows. In my series I'm going to use Linux environment. So Linux basically stands for LAMP, and the full form for LAMP is Linux Apache MySQL PHP. So what is Apache and MySQL here? MySQL is a database and Apache is the server. Like PHP is a server side language. Without server we cannot run the PHP. It is not the front end like things, like as you know about JS or something else that can be run on the browser, but we can run on the PHP on the browser, but for running the PHP we need a server. So here we have Apache as a server. There is other option also like Nginx, but we will talk about later what is that. So for Linux environment we need to install by these command. You need to just run those command by opening your command prompt like this. Okay, and you need to run the command one by one. I will provide all those commands into the description. Please check from there. Right, so these are the commands by which you can get the PHP installed. Here after installing the PHP, like I have mentioned here 8.3, which is the latest version. You can also check, maybe at the time of it watching this video the version may be updated, so you can just mention the exact version which you want and you can install. After installing the PHP you can check the version here. How? Let's see. As you can see, I have 8.3.12 is a version of PHP installed in my system. The same way you can also check. Okay, and there are some other extensions also needed to run a PHP smoothly. As you can say, these are kind of a dependency, or you can say it's one more thing like module also. So you need to run a single command for installing all the required module for running the PHP smoothly. After running this command you can check the modules by php-app. Let's see. Here you can see a list of modules or extension I have already or you can see also PHP modules. So these are the modules required, because whenever we work on large projects, so for other, so as per the requirement or other things, we need these modules alongside with PHP. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about a first program on a PHP, how we can do that. Okay, let me close. I think I have already I was working on some project that was opened here. I'm going to open a VS Code. It is an editor. Okay, open folder. We will create a new folder here for our new project. Okay, let's create here as a PHP. Okay, let's create a new file called index.php. Hello world. So this is a very small file containing a string, or you can say it's just a single line message, hello world. Now we will try to run this program into the command prompt. Correct. Here this is our here is open in command prompt. Let's check. As you can see, index.php is up there, php, and here you can see the output. Okay, the same way we can also change the message into the file. And see the output again, hello world Sandeep. Okay, so we can also run PHP on the browser. We will check it later. For now, that's it for this section. Thank you.